Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started. In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best welder boots you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best welder boots in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Safe Toe Welding Boots. If you're looking for affordable, high-quality welding boots with top-tier safety features, these are a solid choice. While they may require a break-in period, the fire-resistant leather, composite toe, and heat-resistant sole make them a reliable option for serious workers. Unlike steel-toe boots, the composite toe is lightweight, non-metallic, and resistant to electrical hazards, while still providing strong impact protection. The boots are made from premium fire-resistant leather, protecting against sparks, slag, and molten metal splashes. The rubber outsole can withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, 572 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring safety in high heat environments. Provides excellent grip on slippery or greasy surfaces, reducing the risk of workplace accidents. Designed for long-lasting performance in harsh conditions, including welding, metalworking, and construction sites. Features shock absorption, cushioned insoles, and a breathable design for all-day comfort. The Safe Toe welding boots are built to withstand tough work environments while still being comfortable for long hours. The fire-resistant leather upper does an excellent job of protecting against sparks and hot metal, making these boots a great choice for welders and industrial workers. Unlike traditional steel-toe boots, the composite toe keeps the boots lightweight while still providing great protection. This makes a big difference for workers who spend hours on their feet. The cushioned insole and breathable design further enhance comfort, reducing foot fatigue. The outsole offers excellent traction, making these boots slip-resistant on oily and wet surfaces. This is crucial for maintaining stability and balance in hazardous workspaces. Our second best welder boots is Hogan welding work boots. If you're looking for high-quality work boots that offer safety without sacrificing comfort, the Hogent welding boots are a fantastic choice. One of the standout features of these boots is their balance between durability and comfort. The steel toe cap ensures maximum protection, while the shock-absorbing sole and cushioned insole help keep feet comfortable during long work hours. The slip-on design makes them convenient for workers who don't want to deal with laces, and the soft leather construction allows for flexibility without feeling too stiff. Whether you're standing, walking, or crouching for extended periods, these boots provide great support without feeling bulky. The non-slip outsole ensures steady footing on slippery, oily, or uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of workplace accidents. This makes them a great choice for welders, factory workers, and construction professionals who work in hazardous environments. Steel toe protection. These boots feature a reinforced steel toe cap, offering maximum protection against impact, compression, and falling objects. Slip-on design. The easy slip-on style makes them quick to wear and remove, perfect for workers who need convenience without sacrificing protection. Non-slip and oil-resistant sole. The high-traction rubber outsole provides excellent grip on slippery surfaces, preventing workplace accidents. Indestructible construction. Made from durable leather with reinforced stitching, these boots are built to withstand extreme work conditions. Soft and comfortable fit. Despite their ruggedness, these boots are designed for comfort, featuring a cushioned insole and breathable lining to reduce foot fatigue. Let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Nutropa welding work boots. If you're looking for a high-quality, lightweight alternative to steel-toe boots, these are a great option. While they may take some time to break in, The comfort, flexibility, and protection they provide make them a reliable choice for any demanding job site. One of the standout features of the Nutropa welding work boots is their lightweight design. Traditional steel-toe boots can feel heavy after long hours, but these composite toe boots provide the same level of protection without unnecessary weight. The cushioned insole and shock-absorbing sole make them comfortable for all-day wear, even in jobs that require standing or walking on concrete for long periods. The breathable inner lining helps keep feet cool, preventing overheating during long shifts. For safety, the slip-resistant outsole ensures solid footing on slick or uneven surfaces, making them a great choice for hazardous work environments. Composite toe protection. Unlike steel-toe boots, the composite toe offers strong impact resistance while being lightweight and non-metallic, making it ideal for electrical work and welding. The high-traction rubber outsole provides a solid grip on slippery surfaces, reducing the risk of falls in wet or oily workspaces. The boots are designed for long shifts, offering a cushioned insole and breathable materials to minimize foot fatigue. Made from high-quality leather and reinforced stitching, these boots are built to withstand tough job sites while remaining flexible. Ideal for welding, construction, metalworking, and general industrial work, these boots provide all-around protection and comfort. Number 4 in our side is Hogent welding boots. Designed to guard against falling objects and compression, the reinforced steel toe cap meets industry safety standards, ensuring maximum toe protection. No laces mean quick and easy wear, making them ideal for welders who need to put on and take off boots frequently. The indestructible outsole is designed to resist sharp objects, protecting feet from nails, glass, and metal debris. The high-traction rubber outsole provides solid grip on oily, wet, and uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of workplace slips and falls. A cushioned insole and soft interior lining provide all-day comfort, reducing strain on the feet and knees. Built with high-quality leather, these boots can withstand high temperatures, making them perfect for welding applications. The Hogent welding work boots stand out for their balance of toughness and wearability. The steel toe ensures solid protection, while the shock-absorbing sole and cushioned insole keep feet comfortable during long shifts. Unlike some rigid work boots, these offer a more flexible fit, allowing for easier movement and reducing foot fatigue. The slip-on style is a huge advantage, especially for welders who need to remove their boots quickly in high-heat conditions. The non-slip outsole adds another layer of safety, making these boots a solid option for various hazardous work environments. The Hogent welding work boots are an excellent choice for welders, construction workers, and industrial professionals who need a protective, durable, and comfortable work boot. With steel toe reinforcement, puncture-proof construction, and a slip-on design, these boots offer top-notch safety without the hassle of laces. Last in our best welder boots list is Cat welding work boot. If you're looking for a durable and comfortable steel-toe work boot that can handle tough job sites, the Cat Footwear Men's Second Shift Steel-Toe Work Boot is a solid choice. One of the best aspects of the Cat Second Shift Steel-Toe Boot is its balance between protection and comfort. The steel toe ensures safety, while the Climasphere insole and padded collar add comfort. Unlike many heavy-duty boots, these provide solid ankle support without feeling overly stiff. The slip-resistant outsole performs well on slick surfaces, making it a great option for construction sites, warehouses, and welding shops where oil or water spills are common. Plus, the Goodyear welt construction ensures durability, making these boots an investment that lasts. Meets ASTM F2413-18 safety standards, providing impact and compression resistance against falling objects and heavy equipment. Slip-resistant rubber. Outsole. The high-traction tread pattern offers superior grip on wet, oily, and uneven surfaces, reducing the risk of slips and falls. Durable full-grain leather construction. High-quality leather enhances durability while offering a classic work boot look. Shock-absorbing and comfortable fit. The Climasphere cushioned insole provides support for long shifts, reducing foot fatigue. Goodyear Welt Construction. Known for superior durability, allowing the boots to hold up to extreme wear and tear while offering easy resoling for extended life. Padded collar and breathable lining. Improves comfort and reduces irritation around the ankles, making them comfortable for all-day wear.